Hey guys, how are you? Breakfast basics again today, and we are at fried eggs. So as usual, fried eggs on toast. I'm going to show you how to do it. Ingredients today: 2 fresh eggs, fresh from the chicken this morning, about 50 grams of butter, slice of our freshly made focaccia bread here, which you can see in the link above how to make this yourself, and just some snow pea tendrils for garnish. So I'm going to bring you over here. I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've got everything I need here. Butter. How much? Lots. When you think you got enough butter, add some more, and then you've got enough. Crack my eggs into that while the butter's melting. And what you want to do is you just want to spoon the butter over the whites so that you're cooking evenly, and it's not just cooking from the bottom. And just while that's cooking, just keep spooning that butter over the whites, and that's going to cook them through. Super simple, and that's it. Takes no time at all, but you've just got to make sure you're getting a lot of butter in there. Butter is your best friend. Butter essentially is the basis of all French cookery. All right, so we've got our toast here. We've got our buttery eggs here. Cracked pepper, salt, and some garnish. That's the best way to fry some eggs. You can see here, like, when spooning the butter, I haven't hit the yolk because I don't want to cook that, discolor that or anything. We've just cooked the whites. I've cooked it on a nice even temperature. There's no black, burnt, chewy crap on the bottom of your eggs like you get when you get fried eggs at some places, and they've had them on a super hot grill and the bottom's cooked really quick and the top hasn't cooked. There's no gooey, fatty white there, and that's how a fried egg really should be. Nice, buttery, as usual. Got that yolk porn happening as it should be. All right guys, tune in. We're dropping new videos every week on how to take your home cooking to that next level.